What's up everyone, this is Seth, and today we're going to be installing C6 side skirts on the C5. So the reason why I went with the C6 side skirts over the C5 are price and shape. So the C6 side skirts were only about $72 on eBay, and the C5 side skirts were more expensive and the shape was different. So a lot of them were like flat sheet metal or plastic or fiberglass. So the C6 ones actually had some shape to them, and they weren't just a flat piece that you would bolt underneath the car. You could find some C5 ones that weren't just flat, but the price increased on them. The C6 ones, these were made out of ABS, so as you can see, I've already went off the track and cracked them. But they didn't disintegrate or fly off the car. Kind of pulled some of the screws out and went off on the other side. Same thing, except they didn't crack. It just kind of pulled the screw out. The screws only go into fiberglass, so when you are tightening them, I wouldn't tighten them too tight because you could strip them out. And they also recommend installing these with some double-sided tape, which I did not do. That could also help with going off the track and them coming off. So I guess we'll start installing them. These side skirts mount with self-tapping screws. What I'm going to do is we'll put one screw at the end over here. That way it'll hold it up while we're working our way to the front, and then we'll move on to the next step. This is the area where the C5 is shaped a little different, so you do have a gap here. We're just going to have to pull this in as we work our way forward. In order to do that, I'm going to use the heat gun to heat this area up, just to make it a little easier for the plastic to bend. So after I get this area heated up, I'm going to start putting the self-tapping screws in from the back, working our way forward. As you can see, this was a pretty easy install. Just put the self-tapping screws on every part where it had a little indentation. I stuck with sticking the self-tapping screws up higher on the indentation rather than lower. It seemed like there was something solid down here that the screws were hitting. So as you can see, they were a little higher, not at the bottom. And that was about it. So all you really end up with is a little bit of an indentation right there. But other than that, you can't really tell that these were meant for the C6 versus the C5. And another plus is if you like me and have some broken front fenders, the side skirt will actually hold the fender onto the car a little better. Especially if you have any sort of angle and you've cut all of the fender liner out and you don't have much supporting it, this side skirt will help. I actually made an extra little bracket here that bolts to the fender and holds it, but this side skirt will also hold it on a little better. And here's what they look like. Alright, we've reached the end of this video. I hope this video was helpful. Super easy install, relatively cheap install. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this video or my channel to see more. And if you have any suggestions, any other installs you want to see, just let me know. Thanks for watching.